teaching English to class 8A and 8B. Hoping for a great session ahead. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं मंजू कपूर, मैं 8A, 8B और 9B की हिंदी लेने वाली हूँ. Thank you.
Good morning once again. I'll be taking mathematics for 8A and sir will be taking for 8B.
Okay, thank you, Kavita ma'am, for Punjabi. Please come. I thought she's going to take only 9th, but then realized no. We need her expertise for class 8 also. So thank you ma'am. Yes.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 8 ਤੋਂ ਕਦਮ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਸਾਹਿਤ ਨੂੰ ਪੜ੍ਹਨ ਦਾ, ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਥਰਡ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਤੋਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਦਮ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸੈਕੰਡ ਲੈਂਗੁਏਜ ਤੱਕ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ ਹੈ. 3 ਪੀਰੀਅਡਸ ਤੋਂ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਪੂਰੇ ਪੀਰੀਅਡਸ ਨੋਰਮਲ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਿੱਖਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਾਹਿਤ ਵੱਲ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕਦਮ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਵਧਣਗੇ, ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸਿੱਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਔਰ ਇਹਦਾ ਲਿਟਰੇਚਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਨ ਦੇ, ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣਨ ਦੇ, ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਲਾਸ 8 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ.
Happy birthday to you.
Class teachers. 9A, Rashmi ma'am, please come. 9A, Abhay sir, yes. Abhay sir was raising his hand there. 9A, Abhay sir. I think audience already, you people already know. 9B, Rashmi ma'am. And 9C, Reema ma'am. Yes, please come.
Good morning. Sir, सब जगह है. He is omnipresent.
But sir ने बहुत motivate किया.
Yes, I know. हम कभी applause करेंगे सबको.
Good morning everyone. Once again, I am Hima Patyal. I'll be taking physics and I am the class teacher of 9C. Thank you.
Good morning once again. I'm Rashmi Khanna and I'll be taking social science and the class teacher for 9B.
Good morning everyone. I'm Abhay and I'll be the class teacher of class 9A and looking forward to explore new learning vistas with all my class students.
Yes.
I'll be teaching class 9A and 9C along with class 10th and 7th A.
These other teachers also you join us. I think most of you will join us again. You already know Anamika ma'am. New entries are, I think, Anamika ma'am for English, and science team we have Tanya ma'am and Renu ma'am. Please come. Manju ma'am. No, already those who are there they will come. Manju Kaushal ma'am. Oh yes.
Renu ma'am, Tanya ma'am.
I thought we are talking about Manju Kapoor ma'am. Please, Ajay, who have part of class 9 ma'am. Everybody. Those who are taking class 9, just be here, and children, we should applaud for our teachers. This is the time when we can welcome them, we can show our gratitude. Whatever you are today, that is all because of these teachers. So, hip hip, hooray! Teachers, put it on. Hip hip, hooray! Hip hip, hooray! Yes.
We have Praveen ma'am, HOD math. She's on evaluation duty and she will be joining us within a few days. So she's taking care of math. Praveen ma'am.
Hi everyone, good morning. This is Anamika Mehta and we'll be taking English, teaching English, fun-loving, fun activities, everything would be there, and the spoken part first of all. So that would be there, the mantra for this particular session, so students be ready for that. No Hindi except for the Hindi and the Punjabi periods. and I will be teaching the classes 9A and C.
Forgotten. Nice that my team has not forgotten, because I'm just talking about back to books, back to English. This is also one more mantra that is going to be, and we have to speak in correct English, and ma'am, you will correct our English also for everyone. Yeah, this is the way we have. Yes, new people who have just entered on stage, please introduce yourself. I'm forgetting.
Good morning, parents. Myself, Manju Kaushal, and I will be taking physics for class 9A. So you just not to worry about the the concepts we teach in physics. We will do together brilliant work. Just I need the cooperation from your side. Thank you.
Anybody else who has just joined and we have not introduced? Yes, Tanya.
Good morning everyone, my name is Tanya Gupta. I'll be taking biology in class 9 and 10. Hope for a great academic session. Thank you.
Good morning parents, I am Renu and I am going to take chemistry of class 9th and 10th. So best luck for the upcoming session. Thank you.
In science we have specialization now, biology, physics and chemistry, and a good team will always ensure a good contribution from each one of them, and do not worry. All of them, we have our standardized policies in place, so teaching will be happening with a lot of collaboration. You will not find any difference in any of the sections. Please, ma'am, please join us for the photograph. Please come.
The stage is already sprouting.
Thank you, Raina ma'am, for your comprehensive and insightful presentation. Your guidance has provided clarity on how we can work together to support our students on their academic journey. Now I will request our principal ma'am to say a few words.
Good morning everyone. I will say just a few words because we would not like to take too much of your time, and thank you so much Raina ma'am for taking us through the exhaustive presentation and all the details that she's given. There's nothing much for me to add except that it's lovely to see all of you here, and we are looking forward to a wonderful session, and I'm sure the children have understood. Children, have you understood what ma'am has been talking about? Especially about? Children are not saying it. Louder. Mobiles. Yes, so mobiles. So please be careful. It can be your best friend and it can be your worst enemy as well. Let's make it our best friend. We are not saying that no mobiles, but there has to be some the importance of using it, why we need it, when we need it, and who's going to be there monitoring. That is the important question. We are going into a digital world. We are not saying leave everything digital, but it should be monitored. It's better to prevent bad things from happening than later regretting it. So mobiles are our phones, computers are our future. However, please be mindful. There should be self-reflection. There should be control of yourself. You don't need your parents to monitor you all the time. So this is for the children. That you don't need parents to monitor you all the time, but parents, please monitor them all the time. That is very, very important, because you cannot leave them, and they are after all children and they are our responsibility. So if a child is going wrong, it is the parents' responsibility. You are responsible. We cannot blame the children because they are after all children. We are the adults in the house. So please behave like adults. And what ma'am was saying to children, I would like to say that to the parents. Please move away from the phones a little bit. Spend time with your children, speak, converse. See, I can see a child doing that to the mother. Dekha, yes? So if we are on the social media all the time, we are chatting, we are sending messages, we are picking up the phone every time it does a thing, you can't tell the children not to do it. I'm sorry. Because these things the children imbibe. They are learning from example, not from what you are saying. If I speak, I say don't keep phones with you all the time, but I keep 2 phones with me all the time. My children are not going to listen to me. I'm I'm the principal, I have 2 phones, there's not one here. I never bring the phone to the AV hall because I know that over here I have to be present for this occasion. There is nothing more important that is happening, or somebody can't bring that message to me. So even at home, my phone lies in the bedroom. In fact, the director, I miss a lot of the sir's calls, and I always tell him, sir, you know I don't keep the phone with me. So my family will be telling me that your phone was ringing, or I will go and see it after 2 hours also, and then I call them. So life is there without the phones also. Don't let them rule your life. Improve your quality of life with the phones. So enough with the phones. Very important. Another point that I wanted to discuss was punctuality. Ma'am has already discussed it. What is the time, the starting time of the school? Louder, children? 8 o'clock. 8 a.m. as you said. What is your name, bache?
Navya.
Navya. Beautiful. So 8 a.m. is the school time. 8 a.m. the children need to be in the classes because the teachers take attendance from 8 a.m. to 8:10 a.m. That is why the children are still allowed till 8:10. Hereafter, 8:10 the gates will be closed. So this is for the parents and the children. You have to get up on time. Make sure that your parents bring you to school on time. The window for dropping your children is from 7:50 to 8:10. You got 20 minutes. Enough time. I can see the expressions of the children. Oh my God, jaldi utna padega. Yes? So, please make sure that you are getting up on time. You have ample time for your breakfast and you are not hurrying, and you are in school by 7:50, not before that. Why not before that? For security reasons. Our teachers come into the school at 7:45, which means that they will be reaching the classrooms by 7:50. We do not want any child to be entering the classrooms before 7:50. So if there is any emergency and you really have to drop the child, you still may drop the child, but the child will be sitting in the amphitheater where we have somebody standing outside on duty. The children are not allowed to enter the building before 7:50. So try and drop your children between 7:50 and 8. Till 8:10, after 8:10, the gates are going to be closed, and from 8 to 8:10, the children are marked as late. So please make sure that we are punctual. Again, this is another habit that you are going to teach the children. They are going to learn from seeing you. If you are always on time, making sure that you reach places 5 minutes, 10 minutes before the expected time, that is a very, very good habit. And this is something that I can say from my army background. Punctuality, very important. It will take you very far in life. So thank you everyone, all the parents, for having come here and been a part of this wonderful orientation. Thank you so much, dear teachers, because the school is nothing without you. So you are the backbone of the school, and thank you for taking care of the children so much. And thank you, Raina ma'am, for such a wonderful presentation, because without you, we would not have gained so much of knowledge. Thank you, Sudeshna ma'am. She is the head, enrichment head. Please say hi to everyone, because you are very, very important. The children, we are not looking at only academics, we are looking at the holistic development. So all the activities, all the events in the calendar, they are all, they have all come from her. They are her children basically. So I am sure that you will have no problem. I am sure that you will have no problem, and you will find that the children will be doing multiple activities, and it will help in their holistic development. Thank you everyone. It was lovely to speak to you once again, and I'll hand over the mic to Sudeshna ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
A quick one, just wanted to mention about enrichment activities. So we keep getting, emails that to change the activity. So just a request, parents, that we have designed these activities for the children, thinking that, we keep the number limited to 35, 40 at the most, because if we get more numbers in one activity, we won't be able to deliver what we want. So that's a request that whatever activities you have chosen, so we've given you, asked for 3 preferences from each group, and you have given the preferences accordingly. So we try and put you in the first preference, but in case the capacity is full, we move on to the second one. So just a request that whatever they are learning, you know, whichever activity they are taking, they are going to learn the skills, they are going to learn something new. So request that please don't ask for any changes, because we really won't be able to change, and that's for the benefit of the students. So with a capacity of 30-35, children will be at the end of the session, they'll be able to learn something, and we would try our level best to showcase that in front of you, so that you will also see that they have learned something new. And coming to house activities and assemblies, we want all the children to participate, and our teachers, they ensure that they all participate. But these circulars and all for the house activities, we send them at the beginning of the month, you know, for the entire month, whatever activities we are going to do. So please see that children, they take interest and participate. We try to make it interesting so that children are engaged, they are involved. But you know, you children, you also have to take that initiative of learning and participating. So that's my request, and this time we are actually forming a school band. We've got a whole lot of new instruments. So it was just one request to our director sir, and immediately it was sanctioned, and we've got a whole lot of new instruments. So please children, those who are interested in playing keyboard, guitar, vocal, drums, please come forward and we'll form our own school band. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Good morning everybody. I think there is a lot of gyan today, and वो बहुत ज्ञान हो गया हमारा सबका. So parents, over the years, I have 2 children, both are adult now. So follow only 2 mantras which I am following. One is connection, and the other one is, I would say,
love, spending time with them.
Connection is very important. And another I want to tell you, but connection आपको पता ही है कि that talk to them most, because this is the only time कि आपने whatever you want to discuss करना है, discuss with your children. This is very very important in life. And second, you tell me.
Give them space.
Coaching. Whenever they are saying that Mama, I am in trouble, you need to discuss with them. Give your ideas. Connection and coaching is very important in life. I think if you are following these 2 things till the end of your parents, children are adults, I think you are good. You are very very good parent. Your parenting is solid. So I am always use these things. जितनी maximum बात करती हूँ, and if they are in trouble, I want to give my decision कि ऐसे कर लो, बाकी it's on you, कैसे आपका college है, कैसे आपकी job है. So do these 2 things, okay? And children, all the best for your future. Do your best. You have this, teachers have discussed, your vice principal have given you so many information, ये मत करो, वो मत करो. So I think it is very very good for you. ठीक है? My daughter was in 9th grade, and that time WhatsApp अभी नया आया था. So I told my daughter that बेटा अगर पढ़ना है तो WhatsApp को अभी मत लॉगिन, मतलब बिल्कुल भी इसको मत करो आप. तो she said, Mama, आपने ये बोला है तो मैं नहीं करूँगी. And that day she stopped WhatsApp, उसने अपना account delete करा. And I am very very happy that she is doing very well in her life. So I want the same from all of you children. The same. Thank you.
Krishna ma'am, thank you Principal ma'am, thank you Avinash ma'am. Before I say thank you to all the parents, there are 2 things which are very very important. For the class 9 parents basically. So whenever we are sending any kind of a registration document to you, please read it very very carefully. All the subject combinations which your child has opted, because every year there are 1 or 2 mistakes which we get it. So whenever you are reading any document which is related to the registration, please read it, go through it very carefully before signing it. All the spelling names, everything which is there in the CBSE registration form, it should be carefully read. All the subject combinations, because that is going to go in grade 10. So please be very careful while looking at those documents and before signing them. And another is, before leaving this AB hall, we have to get one document signed from you, and Raina ma'am will explain you that what that document is.
I have already explained that attendance 75% is compulsory. All of you agree to this. Document, it is written in the document that you have read it, your child also has read it. Not only parent has to sign, but child will also sign. Because we are getting, we are receiving this information from the parents because of non-attending schools which are around the Tri-City. They say that in other schools it is not compulsory. We are a CBSE.
It is compulsory.
It is compulsory. We are a CBSE school. We follow. Dono classes. Ma'am, 8, 9, 10. All 3 classes are part of CBSE. The moment you start, actually the whole school is part of CBSE, but we follow it to the T in class 8, 9 and 10. That is why promotion policy is also followed in class 8. So it shows that we have started following it, and as per their policy, we take all the decisions. So in this document, we have written 2 informations. One is about the promotion policy that both the things that were there in my presentation, both the things are written there. We just want that all the parents should read and child should read and they should sign. It says that I have read that 75% of attendance is compulsory, my child will attend the school regularly, and the other one says that I have understood that 33% marks are compulsory to obtain to be promoted to the next class. So it is like that. Just for this, we have informed. Thank you so much. It was lovely having interaction with all of you. Now after this, you are invited to join us for refreshment. But before that, I think this little formality that you can do with the class teachers. You already know the class teachers. Class teachers, you can make yourself sit here in different areas so that parents can go there.
Upasana ma'am, 8 can come here.
Come here quickly.
Manju ma'am, 2-3 rows you can leave and sit there, 8B.